I just thought this fella needed a little recognition on YouTube. Hi folks, welcome to Schick Happens. In today's episode, I thought I'd showcase or do a review on one of the pistols I have. And this is a Heritage Rough Rider. It's one of the cheapest guns that I own. But I'll tell you, for the price of these, it's well worth it, in my opinion anyway. And we'll talk a little bit about that. A couple of years ago, I was up at the local sporting goods store, and they were running a special on these from $189 down to $149. And I'll tell you, for a .22 pistol, single action revolver, 6-inch barrel, I just thought that was a good price. And I'm sure if you poke around online, do a little bit of searching for these, maybe hit some local pawn shops, I'm sure you can get them even cheaper. Now, as I mentioned, this is a single action. This particular model that I have, this Rough Rider, only comes with a .22 long rifle cylinder. I do have another Heritage pistol that did come with a .22 mag cylinder, so you could shoot either caliber. But this particular video, we're just going to take a look at this one. This does have a safety feature on it, on the back here. And according to the manual, there's a 4-click system with this hammer. The first click is for you to engage the safety, on and off. The second click is for you to open the little bail there and rotate the cylinder to unload and load this pistol. And then it says the third click is inconsequential to the shooter or the gun. I don't know why it's there. I'm sure mechanically it's there for a reason, but for all intended purposes, disregarded, I guess. That's what the manual says anyway. And then the fourth click, you're ready to fire. And again, this is a single action pistol. You have to cock this to fire. You can't just keep pulling the trigger like you would in a double action. Now, the .22 ammo that we're going to run through this pistol today is Winchester's 36 grain hollow point copper plated bullets. I don't know what the preference is for this pistol. I've shot many different types of .22 ammunition through it. It all, in my opinion, shoots the same through this particular pistol. Maybe if you have the same one or intending on buying one, it might like a certain flavor. I don't know. But for today's video, this is what we're going to shoot. But before we get started, I do need to go staple up some targets. Now, the distance I'm going to be shooting this pistol to the targets is going to be around 25 feet. Now, this is a 6-shot revolver. I'm going to go ahead and take all 6 of these shots on the left target, the center mass target. Let's see how I do. I'm not too disappointed with that. It looks like it's pulling, or I'm shooting a little bit to the left. I'm gonna go ahead and get 6 more in here and see how I do. I'm not too disappointed with that group either. These are fixed sights. You can't move them. You just have to adjust your aim until you get them where you want them to go. But so far, I'm not disappointed with these groups at all. And it might just be I'm off today. Yeah, I think I'll run a few more rounds, maybe put up a couple more targets. This is just too fun to put down right now. Thanks for joining me here today on Schick Happens. I'll probably title this video a review of this Heritage single shot. I know there's a lot more details that I could have went into, but that's some basic info. And I just thought I'd share it with you folks because there are some budget-friendly pistols out there. And you can have a blast shooting one of these. I know ammo's a little scarce, 22's jacked up in price a little bit, but you can still find it, and it's still not a bad hobby to get into. And this is a great gun to start if you're fresh into firearms. I just thought this fella needed a little recognition on YouTube. Matter of fact, I think the wife right now is mowing the lawn, which eliminates one of the chores off my honey-do list today. So I think I'm going to go out and shoot a few more rounds. Until next time, cheers.